Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to get Temu flash sale. So this is actually pretty simple if you want to get some very good deals, free discounts and possibly even free items. So basically the ones that you don't have to pay for, you just order and receive. You can just go to the U tab on the very bottom on the center, and in here guys you're looking to go to your messages right over here, and then you go to promotions. And in here, guys, you can view and see the promotions that you can have. As you can see, I have a bunch of messages, and yeah, you can pretty much just view them and see which ones are the best one. So, for example, I have this 90% discount right over here, right? So I'm getting this discount. And as you can see, I'm now managing this discount. So pretty much you just click on it and now you can use that discount for a specific item. So for example, if I want to use it on these kicks, right, on these shoes, I can just use a discount. I just choose a size, for example, 43, use a discount, choose the color, use. And now as you can see, I'm getting a 33% off. And you can do this with a lot of items. This isn't the only one. Once again, you just browse your messages and get your flash sales. Enjoy, guys. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.